Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube and some more Crown Derby to demonstrate for you this afternoon. These little coffee cans and saucers, quite good size. They'll probably take about 4 espresso shots, these. If I put my hand in for some scale here, definitely a size up on some of the smaller sets you get. Beautifully decorated in the classic Derby Posies design all the way around. They're really octagonal, sectional. If you look at the cross section of these, 8-walled ribbed mouldings with slight bulges. They're not thin ribs, these are really nicely moulded. And then the classic loop rope handle with the gilt bars around in 4 positions, and then the little rotated ribbing on the rope detailing. XXXVIII, so 1975, classic Derby marks there. Derby Posies, bone china, mint cabinet condition. They are absolutely in superb condition. Just look at the gilt around that rim, and the actual glaze itself, there isn't a mark on this anywhere. No scratches, no knife marks, no wear to the gilt. They are as they came out of the factory, in beautiful condition. Matching date marks on the saucer plates. All the measurements are on the website listing. We've got 2 of them available, both 1975 and both in this superb cabinet or collector's condition. Hence the price, because of the condition and the age. The full details, including measurements, diameters, heights, everything you need to know about these little beautiful Demitasse coffee cups and saucers are on the website listing. So do follow the links below from YouTube to our website and have a browse on the Crown Derby currently on catalogue. I'm sure you'll find something that will intrigue you and delight you. Thanks for watching.